This is how you make a homecoming lei for an LHD size ship. First, you need your rope, and we used a 3/4 inch rope that was nylon. It will come on a spool like this. We used 125 or 150 feet. Then you will need high density bags, merchandise bags, in 3 colors, your red, white, and your blue. You also will need zip ties. You can buy a big pack at Home Depot for about $19. If you'd like, you can use the smaller one. To make your lei, you're going to get a team of groups of 3. We used 6 people, and we made a 120-foot lei in about 4 hours. We completed the entire project. So we had tables set up, and we ran the rope down the middle of the table. We put our bags off to the side onto a smaller table for someone to do the fold. First, we'll show you the fold. Take your bag and lay it with the sealed end towards you. Then, fold a little bit over and do an accordion fold over the entire bag. It will go much faster after you get used to it. We had it down where we were doing 1 bag in about 10 seconds. Okay, so this is how you will assemble your lei. We used 6-foot sections of each color. We marked them off with different color of ribbon so that we knew exactly how far we needed. We're just going to demonstrate one section of blue. So you will have your person, one of your members, fold your bag, and then you will have someone put it under the rope and hold it up for the person that's doing the zip ties. You can always slide it down the rope if you have a little bit of space. We tucked our zip ties, the excess, through the next bag so that we didn't have to cut the extras off. You can cut them off if you would like to. The closer that they are together, the fluffier your lei will be. They may look like they're all on one side of the rope right now, but once you're finished and when you're fluffing your lei, then you can twist them around to alternate sides and make your lei a little bit fuller. This is okay right now. We found it was easiest if you put them all on before you fluff them. this for however length that you need for each color. If you want to alternate or do red, white, and blue all together, you can do whatever you would like. This is just what we did for our ship. The beauty of the lei is you kind of make it however you want it to be. And it will be admired by however many families come to your homecoming. So once you add all of your pieces onto your rope, you then move on to the next part, which is your fluffing. You'll take your bags, which are now in two sections. One end will be sealed, one end will be opened. You take your open section and put your hands through. An alternate way that we found to fluff is to take your section, find your open hole, and then do it just as you would with a sock or a pantyhose. And put your thumbs on either side and just use your other fingers to feed it up. Then pull it out. We found that this is a really good time to socialize with each other and spend some time just having fun and catching up. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a bag. Plus, in transport to your actual ship, it'll probably get smashed up just a little bit. But you want it to be nice and full so it can be seen by thousands of families. This is what your finished lei should look like. Kind of big,